Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Valerie Lopez. Welcome. If you're not already a part of my little YouTube family, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired look. I did this look because I wanted to do something a little soft and sweet, not too crazy and challenging. I really only have 3 eyeshadows on my eyelid, and the only thing that really makes it a little bit more dramatic is obviously I did a really thick liner and I added glitter down at the bottom, and that's totally optional. You guys can leave that out if you don't want to. This is going to be a full face makeup tutorial, so I'm going to be adding the brows, the foundation, everything. If you guys want to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching.
Alright guys, I'm going to be spraying my face with a clarifying facial mist by Kaplan MD. This leaves my skin super dewy, super hydrated. It has rose water in it. It smells so good. Then I'm going to be putting the Master Prime primer by Maybelline. This is the Blur and Smooth one. Usually when I just do a very light makeup application, I will use this primer. I'm going to be using the new Super Stay Foundation by Maybelline, and guys, I've actually already used this a couple of times, and on my previous video that I posted, I talked a little bit about it. I really love this foundation. It actually lasts a really long time. I wish I was able to do a more depth review, like check-ins and etc., but I didn't have time to do it, and it was already out for a really long time, and I just couldn't wait to use it. For my concealer, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. In the beginning, I'm going to say that I was probably the only one that did not like Shape Tape Concealer. It was the first time I tried it. It made my skin really dry underneath my eyes, and it really made like these little bumps kind of pop up. After those bumps came out, I automatically thought I was allergic to it, or I had an allergic reaction, and I stopped using it. I tried it again like a week ago before this video, and I loved it. Sorry that I judged the Shape Tape Concealer before trying it again. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent Powder and my Fit Me Loose Powder in Light Medium. I'm going to be mixing both of them together just to give it a little bit of a tone underneath my eyes, and I've been setting my face like this for quite a bit now, and I actually really like this powder. It really fills in the pores too. Then I'm going to be just dusting it off with a brush. For my eyebrows, I'm using the big famous LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I freaking love this pencil. I have a more in-depth video on my brows. If you guys want to see it, I will link it down in the description box. Alright, moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Morphe 24G palette, which is the newest palette that came out, I think, depending on when I post this. I'm going to be using this little pretty pink shadow and just applying it all over the crease like a transition tone, not going too crazy with it because I want this look to be very settled. Then I'm grabbing this really pretty shimmery like rose gold color, and I'm just going to be applying it with a brush. I'm not spraying my brush or anything because I want this look to be soft and sweet, nothing too crazy or vibrant, so I'm just applying that all over the lid, and then I'm just enhancing a little bit more of the pink on the outer corner. I'm going to be using a white gold like shimmery tone and just applying that right in the inner part of the eyelid and in the tear duct area. With the same pink shadow we started off with, I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyes, and I'm not putting any other shadow but that. I wasn't going to do any glitters or anything because, again, I wanted to keep it soft and sweet, but I still think that just a little tiny bit of this metallic smoldering satin tone by Stila is going to be totally okay. I just applied that right on the bottom of my inner lash line. Going in with my handy dandy NYX matte liquid liner, which I love oh so much. You guys already know, and I'm doing a really thick liner. I usually just line my lid, I flick the wing out, and then I connect it, kind of creating a triangle, and then I fill it in. I also do have a video dedicated to how I do my eyeliner, which I will link down in the description box for you guys. For my lashes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Jade number 13 or number 3. I'm not too sure exactly what style they were, but I am just applying them and pushing them back. They are just a little wispy, they're not too crazy, and because I have a thicker eyeliner, it's not going to show as much, but again, you can't go wrong with just applying lashes. I'm just applying some mascara on the bottom lashes as well, and moving on to bronzing my skin. I have been using this Milani bronzer, and it's a baked bronzer, and it's in the light shade, and it's really pretty because it's not too crazy orange and it's not too ashy either. It's like right in the middle, and I apply that just to give my skin some warmth. Then I'm using this Infallible Tan Powder, which is just a powder for everyday use, and I use it as a bronzer because That's always how I've been doing my makeup. I always just use a darker powder as a bronzer instead of just buying a bronzer. Going in with Milani Luminoso, which is one of my favorite blushes since I can remember, like seriously, for years, and just applying that on my cheeks. I am picking up a glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, guys. Like, I seriously have had this glow kit, and it's in that glow for about 2 years, and I never pick it up. I swear it gets lost in my makeup collection, and I don't know why I don't grab it. It's so pretty, so settled, really smooth on the skin. It's not like textured. It doesn't lay on the surface of the skin. It doesn't emphasize on your like texture or pores. I just really love it, and I don't know why I never pick it up. I'm going to set my entire face using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray and just letting that settle in and air out. And then I'm going to be doing my lips using the Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in the tone Snooby. I, again, wanted to keep this soft and sweet, so no lipstick today. It's just going to be a gloss. And then on top of it, I'm using the Lip Sense gloss. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Lip Sense, but their Lip Sense gloss is really good.
Alright guys, so that is going to complete today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I hope you all enjoy your Valentine's Day. And remember, Valentine's Day is not just about your husband, your partner, your sancho, your boyfriend, your significant other, whoever. It is about love. Loving one another and loving yourself. So it is not just one day out of the year, it is year round. So enjoy your Valentine's Day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.